Swagton makes three versions of this. One is called the NV. That's gonna be what, $299, and there's another one is called E-Class. The E-Class is actually cost what, $399, and also the Pro version they're selling, the Swag Pro, they're actually selling it for $399. It's almost like $400, and that one got 18 miles an hour, and I forgot how many, you know, miles it is. But this one right here is 12 miles. We're gonna go ahead and see if it's 12 miles. I'm gonna put in a GPS. I'm gonna let you guys see how's the speed on this guy. I think the miles in this is equivalent to, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here on the, I call this description, because this one, I think this one is probably 12-mile range for this guy here. This one 12 miles per hour, and it's also 12-mile range. So just letting you guys know that. So it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna go and check it out. But the good thing about this one, it comes with digital, how you call this, handlebar gauge already. So you can tell how fast you're going. It can tell you pretty much all the stuff that you need to keep this thing going. I would say this would be a killer. The reason why I'm saying a killer, because I got this at Walmart for $230, and it's basically the same thing with the how you call this, Swagton NV. And the reason why I would say this is a killer to Swagton NV, because that one only goes 10 miles an hour, and that limit, I think the limit on that one is probably like 8 miles range. But we're gonna go ahead and see like this one here. There's a reason why I'm saying this is a killer. Maybe this is a knockoff version, but the price is $234 and on, how you call this, in Walmart. And another one for the Swagton is actually cost there's refurbished one for like $250, but to me, man, I don't want to get no refurbished. You're only gonna give me 10 miles an hour. You have to use an app to keep it going. You can see your mileage on that one, but this one you don't even need all that because you already have a gauge. You have a digital screen gauge already. You have tail light, you have headlight, and we're gonna go ahead. You got disc brakes, front and rear, and I'm gonna go and open up and see what's all about, man. Let's go ahead and check it out. This for free shipping for $230. I think $234. You know, but we're gonna go ahead and see what's in it. So they gave us pegs. I don't know why it's only one. Maybe it fell in there. We're gonna go ahead and find out. They even give you what's this one? Wow. So you got like a little peg that you can actually use this for your foot. Alright. And they give you, wow guys, they even give you a tire gauge. They even give you a tire gauge. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy over here on the side for now. And let's go ahead. This is the black version. That's what I like about it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up. Hopefully the other pig is out here somewhere. And it has that little weight to it, but it's not like a heavy. In a box. It's like a flat black. Oh man. Is this made of aluminum? This is made of aluminum. Wow. Okay, the pig fell. Here you go. So there's two of that. And let's go ahead and, wow. You're ready to ride. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So you just gotta go ahead and touch your ringer. and then you would just go ahead and clamp this to make it tight because it's a portable. But what I think so far, it's got some weight to it, but it's not like heavy. So it's about like 30 pounds, I would say. And see if you guys can see that. Let's go ahead and lower down the camera. Yeah. So I think this thing has a key. Hopefully it has a key in it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing off. Give me just a second. All right, let me see what's going on here. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. You got the gauge. You can see your miles per hour. I mean, you're not going that fast. You got this instruction here. Let's go ahead and cut this off. Get this stuff in here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this. All right. In there. And here you go. This is the whole bike. Let's go ahead and do it this way. So got a front brakes, disc brakes, and then you have a rear disc brakes. Very interesting. And tires already pumped. I'm gonna have to go ahead and bump it up more. And it comes with what's in here. Let's go ahead and open up. Probably instructions. What's it all about? Man, this is what I'm talking about. This is called pretty much, I would say, a killer. It gives you a pump. You get a hand pump, okay? A mini version. You get a tire gauge. It comes with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here for you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these pegs. This is for your foot. But man, surprisingly, it comes with it. It's a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the front pegs. See what it's all about. I think they have about 3 colors for this one. They have blue, white, and the other color is how you call this? Blue, white. I don't know. I think maybe red. I think they have 4 colors. I gotta check it again just to make sure. I think there's 4. So if you want a red one, you can get a red one. If you want a blue one, you can get a blue one. If you want a white, you can get a white. So that's awesome. So the pegs is on. And that's about it. How do you turn this on here? Interesting. Do these things need a key to operate this or not really? Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, wow. So, all right. Very interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. See this, guys? I would say a killer because it comes with this. It comes with the gauge. It'll tell you how fast you're going. And I'm gonna go ahead and lock this down. And let's see how this thing operates. Okay. You just press this and you're just ready to go. And we're gonna go ahead and turn on the lights. See, look at the light here. Wow, that's bright. All right. Turn it off. Look at the rear lights. See that? And if you get the Swagtron, you get a light here in this, and everything here just tape. So that's really the difference. But you get that, and then when you press the brakes, you have a light, bright too. So you got this brakes from the rear, and you have a disc brakes on the front. And like I said, guys, it comes with the pumps already. I mean, this thing is ready for you. And that's the brand on this guy. And this is the flat black version. But I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, ride it around, see what it's all about, and see how fast this guy can really go. And that's about it. I mean, I'm like what, 6'2", and I weigh about 180 pounds, and sometimes depends how I eat. So probably gonna gain more. But anyway, yeah. So this is, you get this for $232 or $234 from Walmart. I went everywhere on website. I think Gear Best also sell this, but I'm not too sure how much exactly did you have it. But over there at Walmart, you get this like what, 4 days, and you get it, or 2 days shipped to you. So anyway, guys, you get the instruction. I mean, you get this guy here, and you got pretty much everything that you need. This one right here, it goes, you can actually push it down, so when you bring it to go, you can actually bring it everywhere with you. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the light. But like I said, man, it's pretty interesting for $234, and it's supposed to go 12 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy's all about. Yeah, so the tires already pumped. I'll go ahead and look at the instruction, how much the air on this guy. And also, this is where you put the charger to charge it. And that's about it. So I'm gonna put this guy on the road and see what's all about.